Hi Manish,
Hi,
what are you doing?
this is our IT Delhi Security Lab. At present, we are working on 5G security. So, I am working on the home network node. This is our home network node, which is connected with the radio module. We are using the Zigbee devices as a radio modules,
Okay.
and these are our 5 devices which are UE, or they can be assumed as vehicle in 5G network. And these UEs have microprocessor. We are using the Raspberry Pi B version as the microprocessor, and these Raspberry Pis are connected with the radio modules. Here the radio modules are also XB devices manufactured by the DG International, and this is our one of the UE with the screen for illustration purpose, so that we can know what is happening in the UE node.
Okay.
Now we will show you the 5G authentication procedure. We can see that the shared key between the UE and the home network is same. So the shared key is embedded into the SIM when the SIMs are manufactured. So the random number is generated by the home network. The sequence number of the home network will be greater than the sequence number of the UE, and the serving network name is HUJ. So we are saving this information. So the values are saved. Now we will start the authentication procedure. So the authentication procedure is started. As the authentication procedure is going on, so after the authentication procedure, the keys will be generated. So we can see that all the keys are generated into the home network, and similarly into the UE side. Now for the payload purpose, both of the home network and the UE will agree on a common encryption and integrity algorithm. For that, they will generate the keys. We can see that from the above keys, these keys are generated. Now we will do the payload transmission. For the payload transmission, we are selecting an image. So this image will be transmitted to the UE side. So this image is being transmitted to the UE. We can see that UE is receiving the images packet by packet. As the image size is big, so it is taking a time. We can see that on the UE side also we have received the same image, and we get the message of transmission successful. Thank you.